Now, I would argue choosing the right brow shade is equally as important as choosing the right shape, because this is going to create an overall sense of cohesion to the face. They're going to create an overall finish to the face. And so if you're choosing a brow shade that is not right for you, it simply just might not pull the look together the way that you're hoping. Now, like we mentioned earlier, brows today are not just brows. They become a tool that a lot of people use to express themselves creatively. So do take choosing your brow shade with a grain of salt. And so here are a few guidelines that you can follow when it comes to choosing the right brow shade for you. Precisely My Brow Pencil comes in 12 versatile shades featuring warm, cool, neutral, and auburn undertones. And choosing your shade is easy. Simply match as close to your hair color as possible. My rule of thumb, I recommend blondes go at least one shade darker so the brows don't vanish on the face. For brunettes and those who have black hair, try a shade or two lighter to avoid the brows looking blocky. And for redheads, you're in luck because we have auburn shades. Friends, just to make sure we're paying attention, pop quiz. Precisely My Brow Pencil has blank amount of shades in the collection. Bonus points if you can name every undertone that's featured down in the comments below.